Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 32 of this series, and in this episode we are going to talk about the significance of daily live feed. So you all know that we have a live data feed of our algo trades being broadcasted live in our YouTube channel on a daily basis. So let's talk about the reason or significance for doing so. First reason is to establish trust. For any trading system to work, you first need to believe in it, and that's exactly why we are doing it. There is a reason why the saints say you need to believe in something if you are to achieve it. That is especially true when it comes to trading. You need to believe in your trading system, else it won't work, and this live feed will give you that confidence and belief. You might ask, everything is being done by algo here, so do I still need to believe? Yes, you still have to believe. Otherwise, there are chances of unnecessary manual intervention which could spoil the entire plan and roadmap. Once you have doubts, you might start playing around various parameters and values unnecessarily. Or you might close a winning position early or hold on to a losing position unnecessarily through unwanted manual intervention. This will all spoil your returns, so you first have to believe it in your heart before deploying the algo. Otherwise, even algo could fail. Some of the values are masked from the live feed to avoid reverse engineering of our strategy, and it will just show you the profit and loss algo is producing at any moment of the day. And this profit and loss will continue to fluctuate throughout the day until all the open positions are closed. And that is what you would see in the live feed daily. It is more like a live proof of our daily trades, nothing more, nothing less. You will get to see whether we are doing exactly what we are saying, whether the algo is doing exactly what it's saying. That is what this live feed is all about. There's nothing more, there's nothing to learn from there. It's more like, a living proof. That's the purpose of these live feeds. And with that, we have come to end of today's episode. So if you have any feedbacks about this live feed, please let us know in the comment section. Maybe we'll try to improvise. We have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders Program. This is where our algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to the channel is available in the description section. Please join if you're interested. Also, we are providing real-time live feed of our algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get invitation for our live sessions. Stay tuned for this exciting journey.